Your Windows computer might be slow because Windows is using all your RAM even after closing your apps. Here is a free fix. Stick around to the end, and if this video helps, don't forget to like and follow. So first, let's look at the Task Manager. There are several ways of accessing the Task Manager, but my approach is just typing it into the search bar. That's it, so we are at the task. Move to the Performance tab. Move to the Performance tab. So here we have CPU, memory, disk, and Ethernet. I want us to focus on memory. Check this section: in use, committed, paged tool, non-paged tool, cache, available, all this. You can look at the available memory. I have 16 GB RAM. The available is 11.9 and the cache is 10.7. That's too much RAM going to waste. We need to remove it. So Microsoft has a free tool called RAMMap. To download it, head over to your browser. So let's just use Edge, the most neglected browser. Here on your browser, type RAMMap sysinternals. Type RAMMap sysinternals. Then you will get this option from Microsoft Learn. Click that one. Then move to this section. Then pick the first option, download RAMMap. So click to download. I've already downloaded it, but let's just check. So after downloading, you confirm it in your local storage. So you click this one, open containing folder. So here we have it. So after this one, you extract it. You extract the files. So here it is extracted. You double click. Then you pick this one on top, or you select the one that works with your computer. So you pick this one, then you right click and then run as administrator. Don't worry about anything. This is a Microsoft. This is a verified publisher, Microsoft Corporation. So click yes. It will take some time to load because it is loading everything in details. So let's wait for it to finish. Yes, so that's it. So you have user accounts, processes, priority summary, physical pages, physical ranges, file summary, file details. I don't want you to be worried about all these figures. That shouldn't worry you at all. What I want you to do, your issue is just to make your computer fast again. So you come here to empty. There are so many options. But select this one, empty standby list. This standby list is your cache files that are just consuming memory. They are safe to delete. So pick it, then delete it. Empty standby list. And that's it. After we have emptied the standby list, let's go back to our task manager and see. The cached memory has been dropped to 103 MB there out of how many GB? Out of 10 GB. So you have saved more than 9 GB. Now your computer will be fast again. It will be more responsive, more than usual. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and follow for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.